Hey there, hustlers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something super important, but let's be real, not that exciting, car insurance. But stick around because I am gonna show you some clever ways to save money without cutting corners. Yeah, you heard that right. We're going cheap without sacrificing quality coverage. All right, buckle up because this is going to be fun. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, I want to talk to you for a second. Life happens, okay? We get it. And sometimes you need a little help navigating through those unexpected turns. If that sounds like you, seriously, reach out to us. Our team is ready to assist you in finding the right resources. So don't wait. Take that first step towards a brighter future. All right. So how do you find cheap car insurance without sacrificing quality coverage? Well, we've got 8 awesome ways to make your car insurance work for you, not against you. First up, start with the basics. Know what you actually need. And I cannot emphasize enough how important this step is. Look, it is easy to overspend on car insurance by opting for unnecessary add-ons or coverage amounts that are way higher than you need. Before even thinking about which company to go with, take some time to assess your needs. How much coverage do you really need? Do you need extra add-ons? What's the deductible you're comfortable with? Trust me, answering these questions will save you a ton of money. Plus, it helps you get the coverage that you actually need. For instance, if your car is older and worth less than you owe on it, you probably don't need collision or comprehensive coverage. These types of coverage usually cover damage to your car from accidents or theft. But if your car is already worth less than you owe on it, it doesn't make sense to pay for these coverages. Instead, focus on liability coverage, which protects you financially if you cause an accident that injures someone else or damages their property. So do your research. Assess your needs, and then go shopping for the best price. Remember, getting the right coverage is just as important as saving money. Okay, second, shop around like a bargain hunter at a Black Friday sale. Now, did you know that different insurance companies use different formulas to calculate your premium? That means the same coverage can cost very different prices depending on who you go with. So it's really important to shop around and compare prices from different companies before making a decision. Just like how you wouldn't buy the first TV you see at Best Buy without checking prices at other stores, you shouldn't settle for the first car insurance quote you receive. Use technology to your advantage. There are tons of websites that allow you to enter your information once and then they'll give you quotes from multiple different companies. Plus, don't forget to call companies directly and ask for a quote. Sometimes they have special discounts that aren't available online. And hey, bundling can also help you save money. Bundling is when you combine multiple insurance policies, like your car insurance and home insurance, into one policy with one insurance company. Many companies offer discounts when you bundle policies because it's cheaper for them to insure you for multiple things at once. As a bonus, managing multiple policies with one company is easier too. So by bundling, you can save both money and hassle. So take the time to compare prices from different companies and don't be afraid to negotiate. You never know what kind of deals you might find. Okay, third, the magic of raising your deductible. Now I know this might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out. Raising your deductible can actually save you a lot of money on your car insurance premium. Your deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. So if you raise your deductible, you'll pay less monthly premium. Of course, this means that if you do have an accident, you'll have to pay more out of pocket. But if you're a responsible driver and don't have any accidents, you'll save money over time. Plus, having a higher deductible can teach you to be a more cautious driver. When you know you have to pay more out of pocket If you get in an accident, you're more likely to take evasive measures to avoid accidents. So if you're comfortable with having a little extra savings in case of an accident, it might be worth raising your deductible to save on your premium. Fourth, credit score equals insurance score. Wait, what? Yes, your credit score can affect your car insurance premiums. In fact, in many states, insurance companies are allowed to use your credit-based insurance score to determine your rates. But here's the good news. If you have a low credit score, you can take steps to improve it. Improving your credit score can save you big bucks on car insurance. So if you're not happy with your credit score, work on improving it. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. By improving your credit score, you can show insurance companies that you're a responsible borrower and potentially save money on your premiums. Fifth, ask for discounts like your wallet depends on it. Because it does. Car insurance companies offer a ton of discounts, but you have to ask for them. Some common discounts include good student discounts, safe driver discounts, and discounts for vehicles with safety features. So don't be afraid to ask about all the discounts you might be eligible for. And hey, don't forget about bundling discounts either. Bundling is when you combine multiple insurance policies, like your car insurance and home insurance, into one policy with one insurance company. Many companies offer discounts when you bundle policies because it's cheaper for them to insure you for multiple things at once. Plus, managing multiple policies with one company is easier too. So by bundling, you can save both money and hassle. Sixth, skip the monthly payment plan if you can. Paying for your car insurance monthly can be convenient, but it can also be costly. Many insurance companies charge a service fee for monthly payments, which can add up over time. Plus, you might also be charged interest on your monthly balance. So if you're able to pay your premium in full, you can save money on fees and interest. Just like how you wouldn't pay full price for something at the store without looking for coupons or discounts, you shouldn't pay full price for your car insurance. Ask your agent about any discounts you might be eligible for before committing to a policy. Seventh, be strategic with your vehicle. The type of car you drive can affect your insurance premiums. Sports cars and luxury vehicles are generally more expensive to insure than other types of cars because they are more likely to be stolen or involved in accidents. Plus, they also cost more to repair or replace. So if you're looking to save money on car insurance, consider choosing a car that is less likely to be stolen or involved in accidents. Check out safety ratings and reliability ratings before you buy a car. You can also ask your insurance agent for recommendations on which cars are the most affordable to insure. After all, why pay for insurance on a car that you don't even need or want? Eighth, keep a clean driving record. Okay, this one is pretty obvious, but it's worth mentioning nonetheless. If you have a clean driving record, you're likely to pay lower premiums than drivers with tickets or accidents on their record. That is because insurance companies see drivers with tickets or accidents as more likely to cause damage or injury, which makes them more risky to insure. So if you want to save money on car insurance, be a safe driver and avoid tickets and accidents. Plus, by being a safe driver, you're not only helping to keep yourself and others safe, but you're also setting yourself up for lower insurance costs in the future. Well, that's a wrap. We made it to the end. Do you have any money-saving tips that we didn't cover? Share them in the comments below. And remember, you're awesome. Keep hustling and stay tuned for more tips on how to get ahead.